This weather will have you thinking one thing, and then it's going to do something else. So you really got to listen to Ray tonight.
Right.
Because it's well, I would say it's unpredictable. No, Ray's about to predict it.
He's trying at least, right? Ray, you got a lot of tools out there to do that.
Yeah, and this is one of those forecasts where, you know, I know you have other things you want to do while you're watching the news. This is one to pay attention to because a lot of different things are going to be happening over the next couple days. One thing, if you're looking at your radar app, you're seeing some precipitation back to the west, some up to the north in the form of snow. A lot of this is not reaching the ground just yet, but it is a sign that that warmer air is moving here. Warmer air arrives in the upper levels of the atmosphere first. It oftentimes has more moisture. That's what's getting squeezed out in the form of some flakes that aren't reaching the ground because we're too dry at this point. And some light rain back to the west that's still not reaching the ground. And if we get a little drizzle, a little sprinkle or flurry tonight, there's not going to be too much of that. But overall, I think more clouds than anything else. Temperature-wise, right now we're at 36 degrees. This is about as cold as it's going to be because our temperatures are going to climb up a few degrees as we head towards midnight and then pretty much stay there for the rest of your Friday. Now, when we get into Washington, 37, 41 down in Morgantown, upper 30s back into Ohio. Those are the temperatures that we're going to be experiencing here in the next couple of hours. And then we're going to keep that warming trend going. Right now, cloudy and dry in Pittsburgh. We have temperatures tonight going down to the upper 30s in town, 38 in Morgantown, Indiana at 32, as well as Franklin. Now, these temperatures are going to be happening right around 11 o'clock tonight. Beyond that, our temperatures are going to be warming up. So when you wake up in the morning, we're likely going to be in the lower 40s, but during the afternoon, we'll get into the lower 50s. Late in the day, we'll touch the mid 50s and pretty much stay in the 50s and even some 60s tomorrow night into Saturday. So there's some very warm temperatures. You can see them just down to the south. Those are lifting up towards us. Now, a lot's going to be happening on Saturday, and let's talk about how this works out. First and foremost, this first system's coming through. First push of warm air. There is a cold front associated with this, but that's going to stay up north of us. And I don't think we have to worry about cold air until we get into Saturday night. Now, beyond that, we have another system that's coming in, another push of warm air that takes those temperatures to the mid 60s by the time we get into Saturday. However, there is a cold front associated with that. So here's what it's going to look like on the radar. Tonight, anything we get is going to be very spotty and isolated, even though the radar looks a lot worse than what's actually happening here on the ground. Friday, tomorrow, best shot for some showers is the afternoon and evening for just a little spotty activity, and then widespread rain and some heavy rain at that moves in later Friday night and Saturday morning. So there's the front trying to push through here. The colder air doesn't really take over until later. And we're going to get a big drop in temperatures, a good drop from the mid 60s down to the upper 30s in the matter of a few hours, Saturday afternoon into evening. 39 tonight, mostly cloudy, an isolated sprinkle or flurry. And then as we head into tomorrow, we're looking at temperatures mid 50s for highs, mid 60 on Saturday with those temperatures falling down into the upper 30s by evening, sunshine and cooler temperatures for Sunday. Then another warm up with temperatures back in the 50s next week.